Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, kids of all ages, we're going to try this again. Well, we're not going to try it, we're going to do it. This time using wood, not charcoal. Now, I'm not sure most people, if you're off grid or whatever, you would use, and this is wood. I'm not sure what kind of wood. It's just wood. I got a paper towel soaked with cooking oil, and we'll see if I can get it started with that, because I don't want to use any combustible or anything like that. Hopefully I can present this video a little better this time than I did last time. But that was a tryout, and I videoed it anyhow. I'm not going to get this lit. Alright, I got a bigger lighter. So let's say, suppose you got some oil and paper towels in the woods, and the wind ain't so bad you can get it lit. I don't know if this is going to light or not. Okay, it's lit. I could have done the same thing with a lighter. So I'll start putting wood in here and I'll put it out. Maybe not. Throw some small sticks in there, maybe. See how this is going to work. See if I can get it lit. This is all new to me, guys, pretty much. So bear with me. I know that you use sticks and twigs and stuff like that to get it going. I've got wood, chunks of wood. So we did notice in the last video that it needs a lot of fuel to get everything running up, which is not a big deal. Is that gonna go? I don't know. We'll see. And I'm gonna bring this to you the best way I could possibly do it. I'm trying to, let me close this. Is it still burning? Yeah, it's still burning. Maybe the wind won't affect it. So there we go. Okay, looks like it's going, it's going to do something now. Yep. All right, let her go, let her rip. I guess the oiled paper towel might work. So, like I said, I pretty much made this, and don't look at all the crooked stuff on it. You know, it was put together out of pieces quickly in just a quick design. This right here is where it broke out of one of the pelters, and I had to use a different one, but it doesn't matter. It works beautifully. We got a little flame going in there now, but I know you got to have a bunch of fuel in it. It's not turning yet, so okay, it's wood. Did I put it out? Almost. Leave it alone, Kevin. Alright, we're gonna leave it alone for a few minutes. And like I thought, the wood does smoke more than the charcoal. And you know something? I didn't dump the ashes out from the previous one. Alright, I ain't gonna worry about it. burning though. All right. We'll get it ripping or whatever. I don't feel no heat in there yet. Like I said, I don't think the wood is going to be as good as a charcoal. I might be wrong. So I'm kind of looking for this to start turning. And there's no, let me pick this thing up, there's no batteries hooked to it, no trickery or anything like that. This is it, what it is. It's not hooked to anything on here, by the way. I'm sure there's going to be people say, oh no, he's got it hooked to wires there. Okay, yeah, burning now. All right, more wood, I think. Without putting it out. Like I said, I got wood. I don't know what kind of damn wood it is. It's just wood. There we go. We got some wood in there now. All right, let's see what it does. And I probably almost put out the fire, so give it a little more air here. Okay, the fan is turning now, so it's getting combustion air from the bottom. We'll see how fast it takes to get this thing up to temperature. Okay, and the smoke kind of cleared up a little bit. Not much, but a little. It's 600 down here. About the same temperature up there. Okay, now the little fan is on. Alright, so now we're up to full. Oh, maybe the wood is better. Okay, we'll see. 195 on that. The heat sink is 150. And it's actually dropping, so I don't know if how it's climbing or dropping or something. Take a little look at the flame in there. Oh, they're almost out of wood already. So this is where we're gonna start stoking it, pretty much. I would be putting it in right there, but I can put it in up there. There's nothing on there. So we'll see what happens. Oh, it's burning. Burning pretty quick too. Let's take a look at that, because you can actually hear the blower. Oh yeah, check that out. Wow. Oh yeah. Yes indeed. Okay, I guess I got enough fuel in there. You can actually hear it. We're hotter up here. 700 degrees right there. That's 195. Oh, that's beautiful. What is this? 170. It's actually temperature's climbing a little bit. Not that bad though. Yes, indeed. Okay. Well, this is how much wood we got left. If we're going to overheat it to failure, let's overheat it to failure. It actually got noisier. Oh, wow. Yeah, if it's gonna fail, it's gonna fail now. Look at that. That's a flame coming out of there. I don't see any smoke. Not too much. Very little. Very little smoke. But it's hot though. It's hot. If I'm gonna get heat saturation, it's gonna be right now. Do you need a flame that high? I don't know. That's almost like a wood forge. All right, let's see if it maintains. Oh yeah, that little fan's doing good. Now is this hot down here? No, that's not hot. Okay, wow. Well, that thing's going, dude. That's the number right there. It's keeping it cool. All right. If it burns that lot up, it's doing good. We got something here. Let me get my welding rod back here because that is hot. Yes, indeed. Oh. Well, finally, a rocket stove. It sounds like a rocket, huh? All right, if it lives through this, then it's actually a good product. We'll let it die or let it live. All right, guys and girls, that's it. That was another very, very successful test. And can't even see down there. It burnt that wood all the way up. Now I know the ashes are in between those pipes that I put in there. I never emptied the ashes from the other time, from the charcoal. So obviously that's not a problem. I guess if they build up, they'll just blow out. But hey, if you're gonna build a rocket stove, build one that sounds like a rocket. That one sounded like a rocket. It got hot though. I didn't think it was gonna make it, but the little old fan is still turning. All right, guys, hit like and subscribe. This was a cool project. It was. I'm not done with it because I'm sure different woods have different BTUs. I kind of think that wasn't a hardwood. I'm not sure what wood it was, but it was very light, so might need to get some oak, hickory or something like that and try it. So that's going to be my next thing I do. But it did get hot though, but it kept going. All right, cool. Hit like and subscribe. Hit that bell. Y'all have a good day.